Hello guys and welcome to a new video. Today we will be doing an unbox for the Razer Blackshark v.2. Thank you so much Razer for sending me these headphones along with the other stuff, and let's jump right into the unboxing. So what about the software? From the Razer Synapse app, we can see all my devices. In this case, we have a Razer mouse and a Razer USB sound card. If we click on the sound card, we can see how easy it is to set this up. We have the volume that is directly connected to the device volume, and then you can go and play around with the sound properties. Select the default output device. The THX spatial audio will fall back to when the device is not connected. I have some Razer hammerheads that I use as a backup. Another thing we can do is go on the mixer. From the mixer, you can enable or disable the THX spatial audio. Depending on the game, I suggest to keep it on. If we go from auto to manual, we can choose when and how use the THX spatial audio. For every single application or game, if you go in manual, you can choose which mode you want to use. We have the stereo, the game, the movie and the music. I suggest you leave it everything in game mode. Then we can move to the enhancement section, and you can see here we have bass boost, which I'm not a big fan of, so I'm not gonna touch it, sound normalization, voice clarity, and then all the way down we have the equalizer. Default, game, movie, music, and custom have different equalizer settings. You can set them up before you assign them to the respective application. As for the microphone, the range of the customization is pretty wide too. We have mic volume, mic boost, voice gate. You can also listen to your microphone before you go into your gaming session. You click here, you can hear what you're saying, which is very annoying, so don't do it. Then we have volume normalization, vocal clarity, ambient noise reduction. If you are in a very noisy room with maybe you're really close to your computer, to your console, and you want to get rid of that zzz fan in the background, then you may want to check this one. As you can see down below, we have the microphone equalizer, very similar to the headphones equalizer, but I recommend not to touch anything if you don't know what you're doing, but a quick YouTube research will teach you all you have to know about this. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.